Today, the world is again witnessing rising military tensions and conflicts. Every nation signs peace treaties. Every leader speaks about international law, yet wars continue to occur. So a serious question arises. If international war treaties exist, why does the world still face wars? Are these treaties truly powerful legal instruments, or merely diplomatic promises without real enforcement? In this video, we will understand the true legal reality of international war treaties, how they operate during modern conflicts, and why different countries interpret international law in different ways. Advocate Mukund Mahajan will discuss these important issues in detail in the video that follows.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, the world is witnessing rising military tensions involving Israel, the United States, Saudi Arabia, and several Middle East regions. A serious legal question arises. If international war treaties exist, if global organizations promote peace, why do wars still occur? Let us understand the legal reality of international war treaties, calmly, factually, and neutrally. Part 1. Why international war law was created. After the devastation of the two world wars, humanity realized that uncontrolled warfare could destroy civilization itself. Millions lost their lives. Entire societies collapsed. Nations agreed that even if wars cannot always be prevented, they must at least be regulated. This led to the development of modern international humanitarian law. The objective was simple: protect civilians, limit military brutality, promote peaceful resolution of disputes. Part 2. Key international war treaties. Geneva Conventions. The Geneva Conventions form the foundation of humanitarian law. They require that civilians must not be targeted, wounded soldiers must receive treatment, prisoners of war must be protected from torture or humiliation. Almost every country in the world has accepted these principles. United Nations Charter. The United Nations Charter introduced a revolutionary idea. War itself should become illegal except in limited circumstances. Military force is legally permitted only in self-defense or with authorization from the United Nations. However, interpretation of self-defense often becomes legally controversial. You can support this channel by joining our membership, Level 1, 59 rupees per month, or Level 2, 119 rupees per month. Please click the join button below this video. You may cancel your membership anytime. Hague Conventions. The Hague Conventions regulate how wars are conducted. They prohibit unnecessary destruction and require proportional military action. The law attempts to ensure that war targets military objectives, not humanity itself. Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. The Rome Statute established the International Criminal Court. Its purpose is to prosecute individuals responsible for war crimes, genocide, crimes against humanity. However, enforcement depends on cooperation among sovereign nations. Part 3. Why treaties are often violated. Despite treaties, conflicts continue. 1. Global Enforcement Authority. International law has no world police force. Compliance depends largely on political cooperation. To national interest versus legal obligation. Countries often prioritize national security and strategic interests over treaty commitments. 3. Role of the United Nations Security Council permanent members poses veto power, which may prevent collective action even during serious conflicts. 4. Expanding concept of self-defense. Modern warfare includes cyber operations, proxy conflicts, and preventive strikes, areas where legal interpretation differs among states. Part 4. Present Middle East context, neutral legal view. Current tensions involving Israel, regional actors, and global powers illustrate the challenges faced by international law. Different countries justify actions under self-defense and national security. At the same time, international observers raise humanitarian and proportionality concerns. International law therefore becomes a forum of legal debate rather than immediate enforcement. Law often evaluates conflicts through investigations, diplomacy, and long-term accountability. Super thanks. If you find this video helpful, please click the super thanks button below this video and support the channel with 40 rupees or more, as you wish. Part 5. Does international law really work? International law does not always prevent wars. But it performs important functions. Establishes global standards. Records violations. Enables sanctions. Shapes diplomacy. Supports future legal accountability. Even powerful nations attempt legal justification, showing that international law retains moral authority. Part 6. Future of war law. Future conflicts may involve artificial intelligence weapons, cyber warfare, autonomous drones, space security challenges. International law must evolve to address these emerging realities. Final conclusion. International war treaties represent humanity's attempt to place law above violence. They may not eliminate wars entirely, but they remind nations that even during conflict, humanity must survive. International law is imperfect, yet essential for global peace. Disclaimer. This video is prepared purely for educational and legal awareness purposes. It does not support or oppose any country, government, or military action. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more legal insights. Hype. Click the hype button below this video and support this video using your free points, no payment required. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.